Day 7 in self-isolation. Thursday, the 26th of March. Okay, Rosie, how has your day been today? Good?
Yeah,
And why has it been good? What did we do this morning?
make jelly.
You made jelly this morning, yeah. Who was that with?
Mummy.
Mummy and Harry.
Yeah.
And did we do something in the front room?
I don't know what it is.
Under the sea?
Under the sea ocean.
Under the sea ocean, and it was a little Andy's wild workout, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what did we do outside with Harry?
Play football.
Football obstacle course.
Yeah.
What did you have to do?
Jump.
Jump, yeah. And go in and out.
Yeah, in, out, in, out.
In, out, in, out.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
And
then,
then I did the hoppy, hoppy, hop.
and a hop, hop, hop. And then you scored a
Go!
goal. Yes. So, then you've watched the film today?
Yeah.
What film?
Cholanda Chocolate Factory.
And did you do some learning on your tablet?
Yeah.
And what did me, you, Mummy and Harry do? Just before tea, what did we do? Where did we go?
Bikes.
What?
Bikes.
Bike. So we just were careful, weren't we? Didn't go near anybody. And did you ride your bike all on your own?
Yes.
Yes.
No
So,
help.
if you're giving today a score out of 10, 1 is rubbish and 10 is brilliant, today's score is
1,000.
1,000 again.
Yes.
Okay.
Bye.